Okay, hello students. I Anupam Dikshit. Welcome in my online classes. Today I start from question number 5 of exercise 1.2 of a real number. Okay. So what is the question? Check whether 6 to power n can end with a 0 for any natural number. For this, we know that if a number have a end with a 0, then it should be divisible by 10. यानी कि अगर कोई भी नंबर ऐसा है जिसके लास्ट में 0 आ रहा है तो वो नंबर क्या होता है, 10 से डिविजिबल होता है. दैट्स क्लियर. 10 that means it is the multiple of 2 and 5. So if the number is divisible by 10, then it should also divisible by 2 and 5. Okay, so start the solution. First I write the condition. If a number can end with a 0 with digit 0, it should be divisible by 10, or I can say that 2 and 5 also. Okay, here what is the number? 6 to power n. Prime factorization of 6 to power n, that is 2 into 3. I can write 6 in 2 into 3. What are I seeing here? Okay, 6 is written as the multiple of 2 and 3, and 2 and 3 are the prime factors of 6. Okay, but the condition for ending 0 of any number is that number should be divisible by 2 and 5. Here 2 is a present but 5 is not present, so the given number is not divisible by 5. Here 5 is not in prime factorization of 6 to power n. यानी कि 6 to power n के प्राइम फैक्टर्स में 5 प्रेजेंट नहीं है. 2 तो है बट 5 नहीं है. Therefore I can say that 6 to power n is not divisible by 5. Okay, hence 6 to power n can not end with digit 0. Okay, understand? Any problem? कि अगर कोई भी नंबर ऐसा है जिसकी एंडिंग 0 से हो रही है तो वो 10 से डिविजिबल होना चाहिए. 10 से डिविजिबल दैट मीन्स 2 और 5 दोनों से डिविजिबल होना चाहिए. यहाँ पे क्या था, 6 के दो प्राइम फैक्टर्स निकले, 2 और 3. 6 में प्राइम फैक्टर 5 हमारा जो है 6 का प्राइम फैक्टर्स नहीं है, तो 6 टू पावर n कैन नॉट बी डिविजिबल बाय 5 फॉर एनी n, for any natural number n. Okay, for any natural number small n. That's clear. Okay, please pause the video and note down the solution. Then after I start the next question. Okay, yes, question number 6. What is question? Explain why 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 and 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5 are composite number. I have remembered that this part of question number 6 I had explained in a last video also when I explaining fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Understand? So today I will again explain it. First, you know that what are a prime or what are a composite. In the last video I explained to you what is a prime number and what is a composite number. Prime number, that means it have a only two factors, that means number itself and 1. Composite number, it have a factor other than number itself and 1. अगर कंपोजिट नंबर कौन से होते हैं कि उसमें नंबर और 1 के सिवा अगर कोई और तीसरा फैक्टर मिल जाता है तो वो हमारे कंपोजिट नंबर्स कहलाते हैं. सो आई स्टार्ट द सॉल्यूशन. हियर 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13. Here 13 and 13 are common between them. So 13, I will take a 13 common. What remain? 7 into 11 plus 1. 13, it is a 77 plus 1. 13 into 78. And 78 is written as a 13 into 6. So here you are saying that here 3 factors, but the condition for prime number is that it have only 2 numbers, 2 factors. First, number itself and 1. But here 13, 13 and 6 is also right as the multiple of 3 into 2. So here more than 2 factors. Okay. Here number have more than 2 factor except number and 1. Therefore it is composite. Understand? Please pause the video and note down the solution. Then after I explain the second part. Okay. In second part also you solve same as a previous. Seven into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5. Okay. So here common is 5. I will take a common 5. Then 7 into 6 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 1. When you multiply 2 3 are 6, 6 4 are 24, and here 42. 42 into 2 3 are 6, 6 4 are 24 plus 1, and it becomes 118 plus 1, and again it becomes 109. 1009 is a prime number because it is not divisible by any number. But here what is a 51009? So what are you saying here? Again here more than 2 factor, number itself and 1. Therefore it is a composite number. ओके, यानी कंपोजिट नंबर के लिए क्या होना चाहिए? कि सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक नंबर जो जिसका हम प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करने वो होना चाहिए फैक्टर, और दूसरा क्या होना चाहिए 1। बट यहाँ पे क्या दे रहे हैं, यहाँ ये भी प्राइम है ये भी प्राइम है, तो दो तो ये प्राइम ही मिल गए, तीसरा ये मिल गया, दैट मीन्स इट इज अ मोर देन 2 फैक्टर्स। अंडरस्टैंड? प्लीज पॉज द वीडियो एंड नोट डाउन द सॉल्यूशन। Okay students, question number 7 of this exercise. There is a circular park around a sport field. Sonia takes 18 minutes to drive 1 second of the field, while Ravi takes 12 minutes for same. Suppose the both start at same point and at the same time and go in the same direction. After how many minutes they meet again at the starting point? यानी क्वेश्चन क्या है, एक सर्कुलर पार्क है और उसके चारों तरफ क्या है, एक ट्रैक है। ओके, सर्कुलर पार्क अराउंड अ स्पोर्ट फील्ड, यानी कि स्पोर्ट फील्ड के अराउंड क्या है, एक सर्कुलर पार्क है, एक स्पोर्ट फील्ड है और उसके चारों तरफ क्या है, सर्कुलर पार्क है। सोनिया टेक्स 18 मिनट, यानी कि सोनिया एक राउंड लगाने में 18 मिनट लेती है, जबकि रवि क्या करता है, 12 मिनट्स लेता है। अगर दोनों सेम पॉइंट से स्टार्ट करते हैं, सेम टाइम पर स्टार्ट होते हैं, तो वो कितने टाइम के बाद एक दूसरे से मिलेंगे? ओके, व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन कि आफ्टर हाउ मेनी मिनट्स विल दे मीट, यानी कितने टाइम के बाद दोनों मिलेंगे। ओके, हियर टाइम टेकन बाय रवि इज लेस देन द सोनिया, सो हाउ कैन वी सॉल्व इट? These types of a question are solved with the help of taking the LCM of the given digits. Okay, so required time will be LCM of किसका किसका LCM 18 and 12. Okay, you know very well कि how can you find the LCM of a two integers 18 and 12. First I find the prime factors for 18. 2 9s 18, there 3 3s are okay, so I can write it as a 3 square. Okay, 12 again 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are okay, so here 2 square into 3. So LCM, what is the condition for LCM? LCM में क्या करते हैं हम लोग, जो कॉमन फैक्टर्स होते हैं या जो भी फैक्टर्स होते हैं दोनों में, उनकी हाईएस्ट पावर लेते हैं। सो द हाईएस्ट पावर फॉर 2 in both, that is a 2 square, and the highest power for 3 in both is 3 square. 2 square that is a 4, 3 square that means 9, and the multiplication of a 4 and 9 is 36. Therefore they will meet after 36 minutes. Okay, they will meet after 36 minutes at the same starting point. Okay, understand? Okay students, so your exercise 1.2 has been completed, and in next video I will provide the next exercise. Okay, again it is my request to please share and subscribe my channel for supporting to me. Understand? Thank you. Have a nice day.